The Tiger I was a German heavy tank of World War II that operated beginning in 1942 in Africa and in the Soviet Union, usually in independent heavy tank battalions. It gave the German army its first armored fighting vehicle that mounted the 8.8 cm KWK-36 gun. 1,347 tanks were built between August 1942 and August 1944. After August 1944, production of the Tiger I was phased out in favor of the Tiger II. Tiger tank gives a rare insight into acquiring, owning and operating one of these awesome fighting machines, using the UK's Tank Museum's Tiger 131, the only Tiger I in the world that has been restored to full running order. In addition to offering unique insights into maintenance and driving the Tiger, the book includes vivid personal recollections from wartime German tank crewmen and reveals what it was like to operate this 57-ton giant in combat. Find the link below and buy the book now.